Hello everyone and happy 2026 in this belated happy new year. So it means so today is FIDE World Blitz Championship 2025. So what do you think about this today's round number 9 within Knight captured blunders, blunder ratio, so it means no sacrifice with brilliant. So it means wins for white from this beautiful and pretty. So it means within between from this beautiful pretty woman grandmaster in Argentina is Candela Guecamburo with verses by my favorite players by grandmaster in China Lei Tinchi. So what do you think of this one with puzzle within standings here? So let's see of the studies of this one by round number 9. White pieces by Beautiful Pretty, so it means my new favorite players by Woman Grandmaster Candelo Goy Kamburu, and black pieces by Grandmaster my favorite players in China, Lei Tinchi. So let's see of this one by standings after round number 9 with Blitz. So white plays Goy Kamburu is e4, e6 by Lei, French defense, d4, d5, and also knight c3. It is called by French defense classical variation. So these are the main lines here by used by first by this one push e5 and second by capture this pawn. So it means with the third main lines knight c3. So knight c3 from these new main lines here by woman grandmaster Gue Kamburo here, and also with Lei my by moves is knight f6 here, with the next by knight f6 by Lei here, and also bishop g5 by Gue Kamburu with a bishop with a strong by this one with Gue Kamburu within bishop with threats the knights with pins without queens here. By next here by this one by targets by attacks, and also h6 threatening the bishop captured accepted the knights, queen takes captured by Lei, and also pawn a3 without no more by bishop to b4, because these are the pawns with connected the one pass pawn with pawn a3 without connected the targets with protects of this one with no more by moving the bishops here. And Lei move from black pieces here is queen backwards e7 here, and also knight f3 by Gue Kamburo, and also pawn g6 by Lei, and also queen e2 without preparing by this one with moving by queen e2 with Gue Kamburo without idea by preparing by castling queen side by next here from this castling. And also this one by Lei is d takes e4 by captured, queen takes captured, and also bishop g7 with bishop g7 by Lei without idea without next by castling king side. So this is a next move here, and also pawn h4, strong move by this one by Gue Kamburo, very strong move. Or next by this one by g4. The next one from strong by two connected pass pawn, and also by Lei is knight to c6 here, and also bishop b5 by strong again with Gue Kamburo. Next by bishop b5 with moving by this one with Lei with knight c6 by moving by this one with bishop b5 without threats the knights or pins without check here by kings here. And also good move by Lei is bishop d7 without defense here by protects this develops from the knights here, and also castling queenside by Gue Kamburo, and castling queenside again by Lei here, and also rook he1 by Gue Kamburo, and also rook he8. So this is a new move by Lei of this novelty. So these are the old main lines here by first is pawn to a6 here with threats the bishop, and second is king to b8. So king b8 is a next here by old main lines by database, with third here by novelty is rook to he8. So this is a novelty by Lei from Chinese restaurant from with hopia. So I thought hopia from Chinese hopia. So this is a classical Chinese food. So it means so next here by Gue Kamburo is king b1 with king must be active or properly active with a good precise here. So this is a next move by kings here, and also queen f8 backwards because these are the rooks without rook e files with pins with queens and also rooks here. And also queen f4 need more straight here, need more turn rights here with queens with Guay Kamburo here, and also pawn a6 by Lei with the threats the bishop, bishop backwards here by Guay Kamburo, knight captured. So this is a knight's blunders. It is not about it is not about brilliant sacrifice captured, but also blunder ratios. So this is a low evaluation bar. So this is a bad from blunder ratios. So the best move is knight to a5. Knight not knight captured here. So knight a5 is a right move from this computer. So this is a black evaluation bar. This is a good seer. So if you knight to e5 here with the threats the bishop here, and if you bishop captured with knights with threats the queens, and also captured the bishops here, and also pawn to b5 with the threats the bishop and bishop backwards. So this is a good from the determinations here. So this is a slightly better for blacks. So because these are the moving by this one with knight a5 with the creates from this one with good determinations here by ones of this computer here. Okay. So back there, knight captured. So knight captured here, so it means blunder ratio. So the first guessing puzzle. So what do you think about the idea with Beautiful Pretty, my new favorite players by woman grandmaster Candela Guay Kamburo with an excellent move from this best of these ones of this computer. So first guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Bishop captured. Excellent move. Excelente from Beautiful Pretty, my favorite players, woman grandmaster Candela Guay Campuro. So this is a excellent move with bishop without check and without bishop threats the rooks. And decided by Lei is rook captured with bishop sacrifice. So it's not about sacrifice, it means rook captured bishop. And also with Guay Kamburo is knight captured with knights, and also e5 double. We did e5 with the threats the knights and queens. This is a double attacks with white pieces because these are the black pawns with one connected pass pawn here, and also with Guay Kamburo is queen e3 without more ignorance with backwards, and also pawn to f5. So what the plans by Lei? Next by this f4, strong move, pushes with the threats the queens here, and also knight b3. So I'm sorry. So it means so f5. So this is a goods. Okay. So it means. So what do you think if you capture these pawn knights here? So another threats here by knights here with the threats of knights, and also queen captured with rooks with check. So it means so do not captured by queen to queen. So it means rook captured with check. With checks here with the next targets. So if we move by rooks without check, without captured without check, and king captured. So king captured and captured with opening with checks here. And also decided by this next move, if you rook d8 with the threats the queens, if your queen takes accepted, and also bishop captured. So bishop captured f8, and also knight e4. So knight a4 is a good examples here by determinations from this ones of these completes of this computer engine here. Okay, so next move with f5, with the next by this one with f4, with the pushes with strong with the threats the queens here, and also decided by Guo Kamburo is knight to b3. Need more ignorance, so it means so cannot, so never buy this one with captured with knight, because these are that moving by backwards with knight b3 with Guo Kamburo. And without decided by Guo Kamburo is accepted by rook takes captured. Oh, sorry, I got wrong. Lei. Sorry, I got wrong names. So it means Lei. So rook takes d1 with Lei and rook takes. So I'm sorry I got wrong by this name with Guo Kamburo. I thought Lei of these black pieces. So very frustrated mind this one. So it means so rook takes d1 by Guo Kamburo, and also king b8 by Lei, and also knight c5 with the strongest here by Guo Kamburo, and also king a8 proxy active move, and also knight d5 very strongest with Guo Kamburo with the knights with the threats the pawns with check and traps the rooks here. So it traps the rooks, and queen d6 by Lei with a defense here without no more by knight captured c7 with check, and also need more go backs knight c3 with Guo Kamburo, and also queen c6 without idea with Lei with a threats the pawn to g2. So pawn g2 here is a next move of this captured, and also f3 with a covering by this one with no more by captured, and also strong by e4 by Lei captured, and also f4 with the threats the queens. So for example, if you capture this one, f takes e4, and also knight captured. So this is a connected here. For example, this is a connected. So do not capture by rook captured with knights here. So it means next move by targets with rook to d8 without check. So this is a very dangerous from blacks here. Okay, so back there. So f4 without pushes with no more captured without threats the queens here without sacrifice, and also queen backwards f2 with Guo Kamburo, bishop captured knight takes, and also b6 by Lei with a threatening disturbance by knights, and also knight b3, and also queen captured pawn. So need more captured here, and also queen d4 without queen to queen with Guo Kamburo, and ignorance by Lei is queen c6 here with black queens, and also queen d1 again without another queen to queen, without queens without pins with check, so it means without queen to queen. So this is a force by queen to queen with catches gotcha with queen to queen, and also without king b7 by Lei without defense, and also knight d4. So it means, why don't we try queen to queen with queen takes c6 check, and also king captured, and also knight to d4 check, and also king backwards b7. So this is a good examples by ones of this computer engine here. So back there, this one, knight d4 with the threats the queens, and accept by Lei, queen takes, captured, and also rook e5 attacks this pawn, and also knight f3 by openings by rooks with defense the pawns, and also rook e2 without idea with the threats the pawns with g2, and also rook e2 without rook to rook, ignorance, rook e3. So it means, so if you rook captured with more of this captured, knight captured. So this is a black pawns with marshal, this one with emperor pawns here. So this is a black pawns with one kings here. So it means easy wins for whites here. So it means so rook e3 ignorance with Lei without attacks with knights, and also king b2 with Guo Kamburo, king c8 with lay, and also d6 without attacks these pawns, and also king d7. So it means without king must be active with lay. So if you captured without openings with checks here. So this is a check move here. And Guay Kamburo is captured with openings with check, king captured, and also rook d4. So rook d4 with Guay Kamburo without idea, without threats the pawns, and also rook e2 without threats by g2 pawns, rook captured pawn without defense the pawns, and also rook f7 check with Guay Kamburo, king c6 by lay, and also rook f6 another check, and also king c5, and also knight e5 with Guay Kamburo. So what the plans, or maybe here by knight d3 with check, and also next by knight to d7 with checks here. So this is a check move here. And also pawn g5 without attacks this pawn, rook captured takes, and also rook captured. So two connected pass pawn here by same, and this one with white pieces with knights and rooks versus one rook here. And also rook g5 with a disturbance with knights here, and also knight d3 check, king c6 by lay, rook h6 check with Guay Kamburo, and also king b7 here by lay with a pretext with two minor connected pass pawn, and also king b3, and also rook g3 without more controls with movements here with lay, and also a4, pawn a5, and also king b2, and also rook g4 with the threats by pawn a4, king a3 with more defense, rook g2 with attacks with c2 pawns here, king b3 develops with protects here, and also rook g4. So need more go backs with repeats here, repetitions, and also knight e5 attacks this rook b4 check, king a3, and also rook d4. So this is a continuation here. And also rook h7 check, king c8 with lay, and also c3 without attacks with rooks, rook d5, and also knight c6. So what ideas with next by knight e7 with check, with traps with rooks here. This is a trap the rooks. And also rook c5 attacks with knights, knight a7 check, and also king b8 with attacks with knights, and also knight b5, and also rook c4 without more controls with movements. Okay, so the second guessing puzzle. So what do you think about the focusing concentration with ideas with my new favorite players by beautiful pretty woman grandmaster Candela Guecamburo with Argentina without ideas? So what do you think about the brilliant sacrifice with move here? So the second guessing of this ones of this computer. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Boom! Rook b7. Check sacrifice. Brilliant. So it means brilliant captured with rooks. So I don't want to shout. I'm very stressful. So it means rook d7 check and king captured. So knight pieces by Guecamburo versus the bad rooks with lay. So it means, so this is a personal of this in term with determinations here. And also knight d6 check, good move. Oh wait, so it means if you king captured rook and also knight, so knight d6, oh knight d6 with check, so it means traps the rooks. Oh, I got idea. So it means rook b7 check, sacrifice with Guecamburo. So it means lay is king captured rook and knight d6 check, good move. So knight d6 check. So it means without check and rook traps. So this is a counters attacks here. And also with lay is king c6 here, with threats the knights, knight captured with rook. So no more rooks, so two martial pawns within one kings. And two connected pass pawn with whites, one kings and knights here with Guoy Kamburu. So it means knight takes a4, king c5 attacks the knights, king b3, idea with that idea with the defense the knights, and also king c6 with lay, knight a3, king c5, knight b5, and also king d5, king c2, king c4, and also knight a3 check, king c5, and also king d3, king d5, and also without c4 check, king c5, king c3, king c6, and also king d4, king d6, and also knight d1 with Guoy Kamburo, or next by this one knight c3 or maybe knight e4 with checks here. By next by targets this move, and also king c6 by lay, and also knight c3. Okay, knight c3 with Guoy Kamburo, king d6, knight e4 check, and also king c6, king e5 with Guoy Kamburo, king c7 by lay, and also king d5, king d7, knight d6, and also king c7. So it means, so end up this battle with round number 9, so cannot do it, so it means decided by lay resigns. So because lay cannot do it with black pieces, with no more with pieces here, this is a loss of this one. I know with Lei Tingchi is very wins of this with continuation, so this is a win of this one with victory. So the score from this one with Guoy Kamburo 87.4, and the score by Lei is 83.5. So the win of this, the new favorite players woman grandmaster in Argentina, is Candela Guoy Kamburo. So I need to fast as you can. So next up this round number 12 between the beauty from this woman grandmaster Alua Nomarnova and beautiful pretty international master in Serbia is Theodora Inchak. So it means, so next up the semifinals and to finals, so need more fast as you can here. So I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17, aka iCoolMark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess updates. So next up this analyze of round number 12. So have a good day and bye bye.